morning children. How are you Nana? I hope you are fine. Are you listening the classes Amma? Listen the classes properly and practice it Nana. So before class I started money chapter Nana. I said what are coins for? What are notes? Okay. So what are coins Nana? Which money is in coins form Nana? Which money is in coins form Nana? 5 pies, 10 pies, 25 pies, 50 pies, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Okay, these are in the form of coin. And notes also there. We are having notes also. We are having money in notes also. Okay. So what are the notes Nana? 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. 1000 also there Nana, but it is not available now. That's why I didn't wrote. Okay. Indian money is in the form of coins and notes. Okay. What is rupee symbol Nana? Rupee symbol. We can write the rupees in the form of rupee symbol is this one Nana. Pies symbol is you have to write in shortcut P. Rupees means this one. Pies means this one. Okay. 1 rupee is equal to how many pies I said Nana? 1 rupee equal to Okay na? They given points like this na. Here kite amount is 5 rupees na. What is the cost of the kite? 9 rupees. So you have to add these. Which numbers you add? You will get 9 rupees. You have to check. Okay. First 5. Okay. 5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7. 7 after again 2 is there. 7 after 8, 9. So 9 rupees you got now. So 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. This total amount you will get 9 rupees. Okay. Here also you can write. Okay Nana. So keep wrong on this. Keep wrong on this. Why? Only these coins only you need. Okay. Only these coins. 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. Total amount you will get 9 rupees. Okay. Next, third picture, teddy bear. Teddy bear is given Nana. Its cost is 5 rupees. What is the cost of teddy bear? 5 rupees. So they gave amount 5 rupees, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 50 paise coin amount. Okay? The given coins. So how much money you want from here? You want just 5 rupees. Okay? So where here 5 rupees coin is there already. So keep right marks on that and cancel other 2 coins. Okay Nana? Next, pen. Cost of pen is 5 rupees. They gave 1 rupee, 50 paise, 50 paise, 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. Okay. So what is the cost of the pen Nana? 5 rupees. So you have to collect from these points only 5 rupees. Okay. So check Nana. 2 rupees, 2 rupees are there. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 rupee is there. 4 plus 1 is 5. So keep right mark on 1 rupee and 2 rupees. Cross out 50 paise. Okay. So total amount is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 rupees. Okay. Next picture. Next picture they gave ice cream Nana. Ice cream they given. Okay. What is the cost of ice cream? 10 rupees. They given 10 rupees cost Nana. So 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 50 paise, 50 paise. Okay. What is the cost of the ice cream given? 10 rupees. So you have to correct the 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. 1 rupee Nana. 50 paise plus 50 paise is 1 rupee. Okay. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 50 paise plus 50 paise is 1 rupee. So totally you will get 10 rupees. Okay. So you want here all coins. So keep right mark for all coins. You have to understand here Nana. 50 plus 50 is 1 rupee Nana. 50 paise plus 50 paise is 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee amount. Okay. 50 paise plus 50 paise equal to 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. So 50 plus 50 is how much Nana? 1 rupee. Okay. Next, they given chocolate amount.